Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create a login system using Python. So if you are interested, then continue watching this video. So for creating a login system using Python, you need to install tkintel module. So for installing tkintel, you can use pip command, that is pip install tkintel. And you also need to create a text file for saving the data of the users and validating the data entered by the user. So here I will create a file named login.txt. You can give your file name as per your choice. So let's go and do the coding. Here I am importing tkintel module, that is from tkintel import call import tkintel.messagebox as tsmg, and here I am defining a variable that is write to code equal to tk. Then I have declared a function that is check. Inside that I have declared 4 variables for username, password and confirm password. After that I am opening login.txt file and its mode is read as fi. Then I have declared a variable that is data equal to fi.readLines, and I have declared nested if else statement. If your password and confirm password is equal, then it will go to the if statement and print welcome, you have successfully logged in. Else it will print error, no user one, please sign in first. And if your login password and the confirm password is different, then it will print error, both password are different. Then I have declared a function that is save. Inside this I have declared 4 variables for username, password and confirm password. Then I have declared nested if else statement. For checking whether your username, password or confirm password is empty or not. If it will be not empty, then it will open login.txt file as fi. Then I will declare a variable that is equal to fi.readLines. Then it will go to the if statement. If str max in strd, it will print error. You already have an account, please log in. If strun in strd, it will show you the error message that username already exists. Else inside that I have used another if else statement for checking whether your password is equal confirm password or not. If it is equal confirm password, then it will print success, your account has been created. Else it will give you the message that both passwords are different. Then I have declared 3 variables, uname equal to string var, ewd equal to string var, and ewd equal to string var for username, password and confirm password. After that I have declared the geometry of my GUI as write to code.geometry and set the title that is write to code, welcome to write to code. Then I have declared 4 frames. First frame is for the level, and the second frame is for username, confirm password and password, and the third frame is for buttons, that is for login button and sign up button. After that I have declared the fourth frame for the label. Then I am calling main loop. Let's go and run this project. Here I am typing username, password and confirm password. Then I will click on sign up and it will show you the message that your account has been created, and you can see your username, password and confirm password in the login text file. So thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.